Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the reply option on Instagram. So if you are not getting a reply option on your Instagram, so what you have to do is, here in this video I'm going to show you what you have to do. So first of all, I'm going to show that reply option is in my Instagram, and I fixed this issue on my Instagram app. So I'm going to open, and I'm going to open this one. Now when I tap and hold on this message like this, you will see that I get three options: copy, report and reply. So when I click on reply, you will see that I can specifically write to this message like this. And if I slide like this, swipe like this, you will see that this message has like this. You can specifically reply that message. So if this option is not showing in your Instagram, so what you have to do is, first of all, you have to update your Instagram app to go to your Play Store or App Store. If you are using iOS device, you can go to your iOS App Store, and if you are using Android, you can go to your Android. Now you have to just update your Instagram app here like this. I'm going to update it. So after updating it, just open your Instagram. So I open my Instagram app like this. So go again on your Messenger and check if now this reply option is showing or not. And if it is still not working, now what you have to do is go into your profile and click on click on these three lines, and here you will see update your messenger option. So you have to update your messenger option, and after that I hope this will work. If it is still not working, so now what you have to do, click on this setting option, and when you click on this setting option, you have to scroll down, and here you will see help option. Just click on help, and here you will see report a problem option. Click on report a problem, and here you will see shake phone to report problem. You have to shake the phone. Okay, now click on this report a problem and preparing bug report. Now there you have to just include and continue. Would you like to include complete log and diagnostic, and continue. And here you have to write reply option is not showing. So just click on reply option is not showing. Option is not showing like this, and you have to take a screenshot of that problem. Go back and go into your messenger and take a screenshot, and after that just post it there. So I'm going to take this screenshot and click on it. Now it will be there. After that you have to submit it. Next, click on next, and like this you can report a problem. Hopefully after few days you will get the reply option. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.